Happy good morning! Are you all out of craft supplies? Don't worry, because today I'm going to show you how to make a reindeer out of wine corks and chopsticks along with the help of some items from around the house. This is part 2 of a 10-part series. You can watch the full video here or watch them each individually. Check out the links below for more cheap, simple, and easy to make reindeer crafts. What's next, Sunny?
Let's see.
2 wine corks? A chopstick. Why is there only one?
Okay, wait a second.
4 paper clips. I thought you were gonna get me another chopstick.
I don't have another chopstick.
Oh my goodness, Sunny. Begin by cutting 2 1/4-inch wedges from each side of the wine cork. Do your best to keep them intact because we'll be using these wedges for the reindeer's ears. Be sure to test the spacing before moving on. Sunny, why are you wearing safety goggles? Oh, I see. Next, I used some green sparkly foam and cut out 4 small oval pieces. Cut a small rectangle piece from foam and wrap it around the oval piece. Glue to secure. Repeat this 3 more times. Cut 2 wedges on the non-seam side. Use a small hole punch or use your needle to make holes. I used embroidery thread and laced up the boots. Time to put it all together.
Did you know reindeer can be found living in forests, mountains, and Arctic tundras?
The Arctic? Like the North Pole?
Yeah, but also in places like Alaska, Canada, Greenland, Russia, and Scandinavia.
Oh my gosh, that's so neat. Assemble the reindeer by using hot glue. Add a nose, eyes, the cork ears, and antlers. Who doesn't like a shiny new pair of shoes? Let's glue these to the reindeer's feet. Add the paper clips to the bottom to make these ice skates.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy.
It's all coming together, but we have one more thing to add.
A Merry Christmas.
Let's give Dancer a matching scarf to complete this chilly weather look.
You a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New
Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share the video with your friends. I hope you have a sweet, charming Christmas, and I'll see you again for more amazing craft ideas. Happy crafting!